creating a wooden rabbit house in your garden backyard can be a delightful project that adds charm to your outdoor space and provides a cozy home for your funny friends. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Here's a step-by-step guide the inspiration you are. Introduce the concept of building a wooden rabbit house, highlight the benefits such as providing a safe, comfortable environment for rabbits and enhancing the aesthetics for your garden. Materials needed. List the materials required for project: wooden planks, nails and screws, non-toxic wood sealant, hinges and latches, wire mesh, tool saw, hammers, drill, measuring tape and sandpaper. Explain the importance of planning. Size space, ensure the house is spacious enough for rabbits to move comfortably. A basic size could be a 4 by 2 feet with a height of 2 feet. Ventilation include openings or wire mesh section to ensure proper airflow. Assess design doors for easy access to clean the house and interact with our rabbits. Building the frame, cutting the wood, measure and cut the wooden planks according to your design. Assembling the frame, start with a base, then attach the side of roof. Use nails and screws for sturdy construction. Flooring, creating a comfortable and cleanable floor. Consider using a removable tray for easy cleaning. Doors and windows, attach doors with hangers and sew with latches. Add wire mesh windows for ventilation. Shelter and shade, ensure part of house covered, protect for rain and sun. So thanks for watching. If you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video